Hi students, in the previous class we studied about the curve and polygon. Okay, so what do you mean by polygon? You know very well. So polygon means it's a straight line with the different sides. Okay, so for example triangle, quadrilateral, like that it comes. Okay, so next today we will discuss the topic angle sum. What is the formula for finding angle sum? Angle sum it is equal to n minus 2 multiply 180. This we studied in the previous class. Okay. So today we will see the angle sum of the polygon. So find the angle sum of a convex polygon of the following. Okay. So what do you mean by convex polygon? So the sum of the interior angles. Interior angle means inside the polygon. பாலிகனுக்கு உள்ள என்னெல்லாம் ஆங்கிள் இருக்கோ அதோட சம் எவ்வளவு அப்படின்னு we are going to find out. Depends on the number of side. If 3 sides இருந்துச்சுன்னா so that sum it is 180 degree. If it is 4 side 360 degree. Okay. So first example we will see number of sides it is equal to 3. So the angle sum it is equal to n minus 2 multiply 180. So instead of n we will apply here 3. So 3 minus 2 multiply 180 it is equal to 1 multiply 180. 3 minus 2 we are getting 1. So here the angle sum it is 180 degree. Okay. So the sum of the 3 angles of a triangle it is 180 degree. If it is 4 side means what is the shape of that, what is the name of that polygon? Yes, quadrilateral. Okay. So the angle sum it is equal to n minus 2 multiply 180. So 4 minus 2 multiply 180 we are getting 2 multiply 180. So 2 multiply 180 how many degree it is? 360 degree. So the 4 angles of a quadrilateral it is 360 degree. So same using same formula we can find out for the number of sides 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. We can find all the sides angle sum we can find out. Okay. So move to the next one. Quadrilateral. What do you mean by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is any shape with 4 sides. There are 4 sides for this quadrilateral. So the word quadrilateral comes from 2 Latin words quadri. Quadri means a variant of 4. Okay, and lateral means side. Okay, here I have given the one diagram. Quadrilateral diagram it's mentioned here. Look in this A, B, D, C, or we can read A, B, C, D. Okay, so we'll discuss this quadrilateral's properties. Okay, first it has 4 sides. Okay, it has 4 sides. What are the sides? Side AB, BD, DC and CA. These are all the 4 sides names. Okay. Next 4 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. These are all the 4 angles. Okay. Next 4 vertices. So the point A, B, C, D. These are all the vertices. Okay. Points are vertices we can call. Next diagonal. Which are diagonal? Connecting the 2 non-consecutive vertices. Non-consecutive vertices means continuous இதோட vertices இருக்காது. Look in this A, D. So இங்க பாருங்க B வந்து இதுல வராது. Okay. So this one is called AD. The diagonal it is AD. Okay. And the next diagonal it is BC. Okay. Move to the next. Interior angle sum property. What is the interior angle sum property? Look in this. According to this property, the sum of the interior angles of the polygon, it is 360 degree. 360 degree. And the exterior angle sum property, it is also 360 degree. Just listen the properties in this. Here diagrams given. So the first diagram and second diagram, just see that the sum of the interior angles of the polygon, it is 360 degree. And the third one, down one picture, you just see that the exterior angle sum also of a quadrilateral, it is 360 degree. Next, types of quadrilateral. Look in this diagram. The quadrilateral or trapezium we can call. Trapezium, parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezoid, kite, isoscale, trapezoid. These are all the types of quadrilateral. Okay. In the upcoming slides, we are going to discuss the properties of this quadrilateral. Okay. One by one, we will discuss. Next one, you see types of quadrilateral. First, we will discuss about the rectangle. You know very well what do you mean by rectangle. Okay. See in the diagram. In this diagram, it's mentioned. So, see rectangle. What is the property? Do you know that? Yes, already you studied. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Look, this diagram, there is a box like a square inside the rectangle. Inside the figure, it is like a square. It means right angle. Okay. How many sides are there for a rectangle? 4 sides. Okay. So, see in this diagram, single line it is mentioned and the double line also there. This will show both are equal sides. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. So, next you see, rectangle is a 4-sided shape where each angle is a right angle. Means, right angle means how many degree? 90 degree. Okay. So, next we will see the properties. So, already I told you opposite sides are parallel and congruent. Okay. Congruent means ஒண்ணுக்கு ஒண்ணு என்னது இணையா இருக்கும். And its diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. So, இதில் எத்தனை diagonals இருக்குது? 2 diagonals. So, both it is bisect each other. The diagonals are congruent. Okay. Next you see, every angle is a right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Okay. Move to the next shape, rhombus. Okay. So, the square slanting, it is called rhombus. Square light சாச்சி வச்சு பார்த்தா எந்த மாதிரி தெரியும்? Rhombus. Okay. அதுதான் என்னது? Rhombus. So, look in this. What are the properties are there for the square? Same for this rhombus also it comes. Okay. So, look here. A rhombus is a 4-sided shape where all the sides have equal length. Okay. You know very well, for the square, what is the property? All the sides are equal. So, for rhombus also, all sides are equal and it has equal length also it have. Okay. Also, opposite sides are parallel. Parallel என்ன சொல்லி இருக்கிறேன்? ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலாக தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ பேரலல்னா இணையாகவும் இருக்கும். ஸோ இட்ஸ் லைக் அ ரயில்வே ட்ராக். ஓகே. ஸோ ஆப்போசிட் ஆங்கிள்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். ஸோ சைட்ஸ் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும்போது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக என்ன இருக்கும்? ஆங்கிள்ஸும் ஈக்குவல். ஸோ லுக் திஸ் டயக்ராம், ஆங்கிள் ஏ அண்ட் ஆங்கிள் ஏ, இட் இஸ் ஆப்போசிட் சைட்ஸ் ஆர் angles are equal. Angle B and angle B also equal. Another intersecting line is that diagonal. Okay. So, see the second diagram, dashed it is given. The dashed line. Okay. that is called diagonal. So a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Okay, so for rhombus bisect each other at right angle. So அது bisect சென்டரில் பாருங்கள் ஒவ்வொரு ஆங்கிளும் என்ன வரும் 90 degree means right angle it comes. So the remaining shapes properties we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.